Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eatz. Today we are making bacon wrapped Smokies. For our ingredients, we have little Smokies, bacon. You want to use thin cut bacon, not thick cut bacon. Brown sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You want to coat a sheet pan with cooking spray. Here we are adding our brown sugar, our onion powder, our garlic powder, and our pepper. And we're just going to mix that together, and we're going to set that aside. You want to cut each slice of your bacon into thirds. You want to wrap each little Smoky in a piece of bacon, then roll your sausage into the brown sugar mixture. So here we just wrapping our mini sausages. You could place a toothpick into your sausage to secure the bacon. You want to repeat the process with the remaining sausage. And now I'm just adding the sugar mixture to them. You want to place them on a sheet pan and bake them for about 15 minutes. You want to flip your sausage over, then bake an additional 10 to 15 minutes. You want to cook until your bacon is crispy. These bacon wrapped Smokies are cocktail sausages wrapped in bacon and coated with brown sugar and spices. They are great, easy appetizers. We have made bacon wrapped Smokies. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eatz. And don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.